All summer.
This is Pink.
Hey, my name is Bibi Rexa.
Hi, I'm Enrique Iglesias.
Soundtrack for the summer.
Ladies and gentlemen, 89.5.
My radio station.
All your hits, all summer.
Go ahead, go ahead, go ahead now.
Hey, this is Mike Posner.
This is Pink.
I am G-Eazy.
This is summer.
89.5.
My Subic Bay Radio.
The Miracle Roots Red Alingatong nasa capsule na. Hatid ng GreenMed Pharma. Red Alingatong capsule is now FDA approved.
Matamlay na ba ang sex life? Stress? Pagod at problemado? Wala na bang ibubuga pagdating sa kama? Red Alingatong! Red Alingatong! Para balik sigla ang buhay may asawa. Nakakatulong din sa menstrual problems, internal bleeding, prostate enlargement, sexual performance enhancement. Nakaka-regulate din ng menstrual cycle.
Red Alingatong capsule. Mabibili na sa mga butika. The Miracle Roots Red Alingatong capsule. FDA approved.
Red Alingatong capsule now available nationwide. Available at your leading groceries and drugstores. Available in the Subic Bay, Freeport, Olongapo, Bataan, and Zambales area. Red Alingatong capsule. Gagaling ka dito.
The Morning Brew. The Morning Brew.
The Morning Brew.
The Morning Brew.
The Morning Brew.
The Morning Brew.
The Morning Brew.
With DJ Tommy G.
With DJ Tommy G.
89.5 radio, the way it should be.
89.5 Subic Bay Radio. I'm gonna be giving you the month of May highlights dahil bagong kapapasok lang ng month of May, no? Ayan, wala lang radio program kahapon. Pasensya na dahil it's the Labor Day. Yours truly was host to the SBMA Labor Day related events. We had the fun run, we had the jobs fair at the Harbor Point. Tapos tuloy-tuloy pa yan. Bukas meron pa, no? The Green Cross Formation to be followed by a Zumbathon. We hope you guys would all join us. It's gonna be at 4:30 p.m. tomorrow at the Remy Field, huh? Okay? And before I give you the May highlights, speaking of jobs fair, may pahabol pa na para dun sana sa jobs fair din. Pero i-announce natin dito. SNR. Alright? My favorite pizza. SNR at the Harbor Point is looking for staff. The people that would fill in the vacant job positions there. Isa sa mga kailangan nila, according to my friend, Kuya Dennis, mga around, marami-rami ang kailangan. Hindi naman isa lang or dalawa lang. Even though dalawa yung position na binigay niya. One of the positions, production clerk, and the second one, cashier. Pero hindi lang isa ang kukunin dito. So, kailangan na. Ayan. Short-handed siya lagi. Kulang na kulang siya sa tao. So, apply na kayo. Pwede na rin dumirekta doon sa SNR Pizza in the Harbor Point, Ayala Mall. Production clerk and cashier. Ayan. Look for Kuya Dennis, ha? Yung poging-pogi na si Kuya Dennis. Makikita nyo. Siya lang ang pogi doon. Pangalawang pogi lang yung mga staff. Okay, so go there. SNR Pizza, Harbor Point. Okay? Apply na. Yung mga nangangailangan ng trabaho ngayon. Okay? And speaking of the Human Cross Formation, natapos na yung Labor Day special natin kahapon. Pero part pa rin of Labor Day special to, itong event na to. May 3, tomorrow, 4:30 p.m. onwards na po. Originally announced 4 p.m. pero ngayon 4:30 na, ha? Dahil alam nyo naman, yung heat index natin nowadays, si Earth, pumapapel na mini sun. Mini sun na tayo ngayon, hindi na Earth. So, minove natin ng 4:30. Minove ng 4:30 ng organizers, ha? This is in partnership with the SBMA Labor Department and the Olongapo City Chapter, PCOM. Ayan, okay? So, Labor Day, Human Cross Formation, you guys need to wear green. Okay, yung mga a-attend po, 4:30 p.m. bukas na to. May 3, all participants are requested to wear green for the formation of Human Cross in commemoration of the World Day for Safety and Health at Work 2024. Yung Green Cross kasi yun ang sinisimbolize niyan, yung World Day Safety and Health at Work, di ba? Okay? And then, after the Human Cross Formation, it will be followed by a Zumbathon. Right away, yung mga mahilig mag-Zumba, diretso na. Okay? Basta wag niyo magkakalimutan magsuot ng green, ha? Alright? Zumba tayo all the way. Kasama dyan sila DJ Lolo Nyo. Ang sikat na sikat nowadays na si DJ Lolo Nyo, no? Nakakatuwa. Na-interview sa TV dahil because of those TikTok videos, dance videos that he's posting with his Apokotoys. Okay? So, Zumba po tayo. Pero human cross formation muna. 4:30 p.m. tomorrow at the Remy Field. Yan. Si Aling Remy. Doon tayo pupunta bukas. Okay? 4:30 p.m. And we got exhibitors, we got booths. They will set up booth yung mga supporters natin. Meaning may mga freebies, may mga giveaways para po sa mga attendees. Kalain mo yun, ano? Nag-human cross formation ka na for aware, you help raise awareness, and then dire-diretso for your health, nag-zumbaton tayo. Tapos may freebies pa, no? May giveaways pa. You're all very much invited. Tomorrow, 4:30 p.m. Here are the couple of May highlights for you, the month of May. Ayan, natapos na. May 1, Labor Day special, Jobs Fair, TikTok Challenge, and 3K Fun Run. Tomorrow, May 3, yun nga, the Zumbathon and the Human Green Cross Formation. And also May 3, Grand Ball for Skincare Depot. Ayan. May 3 pa rin, Philippine Association of Ultra Runners will be having the 8th edition of the West Coast 200K Ultra Marathon Race. Wow! 200K! Me oh my. May 4, Asian Triathlon Confederation ASTC Sprint by Tripil. And then also May 4 pa rin, the Tripil Super Tri-Kids STK. And along with it, also May 5, pagkatapos ng May 4 events ng Tripil, ito yung parang pang pinale, May 5, Subic Bay International Triathlon or the Subit. Napakasikat na niyang Subit na yan. One of our longest running triathlons here. Subic Bay International Triathlon. Okay? And then May 8, the SBMA Labor Department will be having the symposium on the Department of Labor Order number 174-17. Importante ito para sa mga companies. Lalong-lalo na yung mga admin officer ng mga companies, ano? Okay? So please do attend. It will be at Building 662. May 8 at 8 a.m. So, get in touch with the people at SBMA Labor Department if you want to join. Okay? And May 11, JCI Subic Lambat will be having their sports festival, Uno Olympics, here in the Subic Bay Freeport. JCI Subic Lambat. A couple of days ago, we had these guys here sa 89.5 to promote their upcoming events and they're also asking everybody to, get in touch and join Subic Lambat, the causes of JCI Subic Lambat. And 25 to 26 of May, Audax Randenures Philippines will be having the Audax Ride. Also 25 to 26, Subic Bay Flag Football will be having their football tournament. All right. May 26, Sports Fest Championship for Sanyo Denki. Wow. All right. And then May 29, Regional Science High School's completion and graduation ceremonies. And then May 30, Tapinak Senior High School's graduation will be held here in the Subic Bay Freeport. All right, so there you have it. The May events for you. Okay, buti na lang walang natapat sa no? Sa May 7, may lakad ako eh. May events for you guys. Okay, and excuse me. A couple of invites here for you coming from our friends at SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. Okay, check it out. The SM Women's Sale is from May 1 to 15, 2024. Up to 50% off on selected items. Okay, purchase what you've been eyeing for at the SM Women's Sale, May 1 to 15, from fashionable fits to wardrobe staples. Okay, so buy selected items from SM City Olongapo Central. Okay. And aside from that, the Boys Teen Sale, ito naman, whole month long, Boys Teen Sale at SM Store, up to 50% off. May 1 to 30, 2024. 50%, up to 50% off on the hottest outfits of the season. Siyempre, aka pang summer yan. Summer itech. And also, the best gifts for any occasion for you that you can consider is an SM gift pass. Okay? So get them now at the customer service counter of the SM store. The SM gift pass. O nga naman, the best gift idea anytime, di ba? Okay? A couple of job openings for SM City Central. Client Services Officer. They need somebody to fill in for that position. And Customer Experience Crew at the SM Central Cinemas. Okay, so apply now. Simply go to SM City Olongapo Central or SM City Olongapo Downtown. Also, there's this QR code that you can scan. So visit their Facebook page. Nandun yan. If you want to apply, if you're interested, or go there directly. Mas maganda if you will go there directly. Apply directly. Pwede naman. Okay? And moving on, now open. If you're craving for the for chewy and crispy waffle goodness, Famous Belgian Waffles is now open at SM City Olongapo Downtown. Ayan, di ba dati sa Central lang? Ngayon meron na sa Downtown, hot and ready to delight your taste buds. So at the ground level, head on to the ground level of SM City Olongapo Downtown. And lastly, our friends at SM City Olongapo Central is having the summer sale, summer home sale up to 80% off at Our Home. Our Home is located at the third level of SM City Olongapo Central. Oh, there's one more. Caramiya is now open. Caramiya Cakes and Gelato, the home of premium cakes and gelato, is now open. Come visit them at the ground level of SM City Olongapo Central and step into a world of joyful treats. And they have an opening promo up until May 7. Ayan. Uy, May 7. Hanggang May 7, abot pa. Abot pa sa birthday ko. Makapunta nga sa May 7. Free gelato upsize to medium. Yan. Don't miss out on the fun. See you at the ground level of SM Central, Caramiya Cakes and Gelato. Time now for this next requested song. Music coming from My Chemical Romance. This one's called Teenagers 895 Subic Bay Radio.
Cleaning up your looks.